James Hind, what a week he's been having. This is James Hind getting all crossed up. Oh my goodness me, James. James Hind just landing, then shutting off, and then back on the power again out of Balacry, feet off the pegs. Racers, we get another replay. This is Jamie Coward.
Well, look at the bike moving there as he's trying to get it into the right hander and set up before Gorsley, where he...
Not eat into the...
I just want to take a minute to also thank you for watching my videos and the support that you've shown so far. If you haven't subscribed already and you would like to subscribe, it would mean an awful lot to me if you did. I'm starting this channel realistically so that we can all enjoy MotoGP together, with the aim of streaming a live video when the GP races are on.